For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
As US President Donald Trump held his first campaign rally in months in Tulsa, Oklahoma on Saturday, his supporters faced off with protesters shouting Black Lives Matter. Hundreds of demonstrators flooded the city's downtown streets and blocked traffic at times. Meanwhile, Trump's supporters and protesters exchanged intensified barbs against each other. According to New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, New York City is on track to enter Phase 2 of COVID-19 reopening on Monday. Andrew said that the state continues to be on the right path towards defeating the virus. Officials in states across the South in the United States are warning that more young people are testing positive for coronavirus. People under 30 years of age are making up a majority of new coronavirus cases in America. Officials say the people in their 20s and 30s are now getting infected with the contagion. Black Lives Matter protesters marched on UK cities for the fourth consecutive weekend, with hundreds of demonstrators assembling in Hyde Park before gathering in Parliament Square. The crowd marched through London city centre before protesting outside Parliament and surrounded the statue of Winston Churchill. Thousands of protesters marched on the streets of 10 cities in Belarus to show their anger against President Alexander Lukashenko. Demonstrations were prompted by a series of arrests in what the opposition activists called an attempt to take popular candidates out of the presidential race. As Dubai looks to further ease out restrictions posed due to coronavirus, it will allow foreign visitors to enter its territory from July 7th. The announcement comes more than 2 months since the UAE introduced strict measures to curb the spread of the new coronavirus. After a decade-long study, scientists have now said that it is cat spit that makes people to sneeze and not feline coats. After 10 years of research, experts claim that an allergic reaction is due to a protein in cat saliva called FeL-D1. The WHO has reported the largest single-day increase in coronavirus cases by its count, with more than 183,000 new cases reported in the last 24 hours. The Global Health Agency said Brazil led the way with 54,771 cases and the US next at 36,617 cases. Over 15,400 cases were reported from India. The number of COVID-19 cases around the world has now gone past the 8.85 million mark. Over 465,000 people have lost their lives due to the deadly pandemic so far, while over 4.3 million people have recovered from the disease. The US remains the worst hit country in the world with over 2.25 million cases.